Hello everyone, welcome to Exams A to Z. This is Uma Maheshwar. In this video, I am going to explain the questions of maths and reasoning which were asked in the Group 2 mock test which is conducted by Exams A to Z. Before I start the explanation, I wanted you to know we have already started conducting the exams for Group 2 online. So, one of the marks that you have already written, you can see our quality and our service also. ABPSC Group 2 online test series, it will be on every Sunday. So, overall, you will be having 37 tests in that 150 questions. The question will be of the Group 2 standard. It will be more helpful and it will be conducted in both English and Telugu. Explanation will also be there in both English and Telugu. So, you can watch two videos. So you can best make use of your time at home. So please subscribe this video and you can subscribe to our channel. You can follow our Telegram channel also. Let's begin with the questions. In a family, the average age of father and mother is 35 years. So average age of father and mother is 35 years. And the average age of father, mother and their only son is 27 years. Father, mother, only son, their average is 27 years. So, sum of father and mother's age is 70. Father plus mother plus son is 81. So, therefore, age of son is equals to 11 years. By looking at it, you can say this is 70. 27 3 is 81. Therefore, 81 minus 70. Son age is 11. Next one. Pointing to a man, woman said, his mother is the only daughter of my mother. So, only daughter of my mother, meaning herself. Only daughter of my mother is the meaning is herself. So, she is the mother of the man. So, this woman is the mother of the man there. So, therefore, he is asking you, how is the woman related to the man? So, mother. A man buys a certain number of oranges at 20 for 60 and equal number of 30 for rupees 60. He mixes them and sells them at 25 for 60 rupees. Then what is the gain or loss percentage? So first of all, he is buying 20 oranges for 60 rupees. So first find out the average cost. First 20 oranges for 60 rupees, 30 oranges for 60 rupees, which means the each orange cost. First one cost you 3 rupees, second one cost you 2 rupees. Average cost of both of them is 2.5. Find out the average selling price. Selling price of each orange 60 by 25. Simply multiply it with 4 and divide it by 4. So I get 240 by 100 is 2.4. So cost price is 2.5, selling price is 2.4. Therefore, you can clearly see there is a loss of 0.1 over 2.5 into 100. Cancel point and point. So 25 ones up. Then after you have 25 fours up. So loss is 4%. An open tank of capacity 28,000 liter measures externally 4.3 meters by 3.8 meters by 2.4 meters and its walls are 15 meters thick and the thickness of the bottom. So imagine a tank like this. This is the top view and there is a thickness in the bottom also. So see here. Now if the thickness is 15 centimeters, so here 15 goes, 15 here also it goes. Length and breadth is given as 4.3 meters, 3.8 meters. Convert it into centimeters, it becomes 430 and 380. If it is 430, this is 380. Internal dimensions you find out. 15 is gone means 30 you have to subtract. So internal tank measures 430 minus 30, length and breadth is 380 minus 30, height is 240, the thickness at the bottom we don't know, let it be x. This is what we have to find out, is the capacity of the tank. They have given in liters, convert it into centimeter cube. You have to multiply it with 1000 because 1 liter is equals to 1000 centimeter cube. So I am converting it into centimeter cube. So write it as 400 into 350, 240 minus x is equals to 28,000 into 1000. Cancel 3 zeros and 3 zeros. So here you cancel it. 4 into 35, 140. 140 ones are 140 twos are. Therefore 200 is left. X is equals to 240 minus 200, that is 40 centimeters. So the answer for this is 40 centimeters. The sum of three numbers is 2. The first number is half the times of the second number and the third number is 1/4 the times of the second number. So you have first number, second, third. We want to find out the second number. Let the second number be x. First is half of x, third is 1/4 of x, and their sum is 2. So add it, LCM is 4. This becomes 2 plus 4 plus 1, that is 7x. Therefore x is equals to 8/7. So this is a direction related question. First let me write the directions. You have north, south, west, east. So Ravi walks 20 kilometers north. First 20 kilometers north. From that, so he turns right and walks 30. He turns right and walks 30 meters. Now then again he turns right. Now right for him is below, so he is coming down. So that is 35. So an imaginary line I am drawing here. This is 20, this is 15. Then he turns left. His left is now, he is facing this side. So his left is here. 15 meters he walks. And then again he turns left. Again left for him is this side. 15 meters exactly. So 15 here. In which direction, in how many meters away from the virginal position? Now from the virginal position is here. This is the virginal position of Ravi. Now he is here. So this is 30 meters. This one is 15 meters. Therefore he is 45 meters east. This is east. So he is 45 meters east. The answer is option D, that is 45 meters east. If 7 men working for 7 hours per day and 7 days produce 7 units of work, then the units of work produced by 5 men working 5 hours per day for 5 days is. So here men, hours, days and units of work is also involved. So the relationship between men, time and work is, you can say M1 D1 H1 by W1 is equals to M2 D2 H2 by W2. So here 7 members, 7 days, 7 hours per day, 7 units it works. The next 5 members, 5 days, 5 hours, how many units? So 7 7 you cancel it. W2 is equals to 125 by 49 units. In a sudden coding system, RBM STD BRO PUS means the cat is beautiful. TNH PUS DAM STD means the dog is brown. PUS DAM BRO PUS CUS means the dog has the cat. So what is the code for has? So write down the given language. So first write RBM STD BRO PUS. Then you have TNH PUS DIM STD. Then you have PUS DIM BRO, then CUS. You have PUS and then CUS. So write down what it means. It means the cat is beautiful. So I'm writing the same spelling which is given there. Then the dog is brown. Then the dog has the cat. So observe the coding here. Here PUS came twice. So the came twice. So PUS means the. So PUS means the. Then after, what is common in these two? STD, STD. Other than the, what is common in these two? Is. So STD means is. Then STD means is. Then you have dog is common in these two. So dog. So you have DIM, that is dog. So DIM, that is dog. So now brown means TNH, that we don't need. Now see, cat and these two. What is common in these two? So you can look at BRO. BRO means cat. So this is cat. So RBM is beautiful. So CUS means has. By looking at in the question only you can answer it, but only to make you understand I am writing it separately and coding it like this. So in the exam, in the in looking at the question only you can answer that.